Hi everyone, Claire here, and today it is Potter Box Day. So my Shabby Chic Potter Box for July came, and it arrived on Friday, and I thought I would go into town on Saturday and pick it up, and because it had a customs charge to pay. So I went into town on Saturday with my card, and we got a bit waylaid in town, so I actually got to the post office and it was shut, so I couldn't pick it up. So I picked it up Sunday. So here it is. I've taken the outer box out already because you don't need to see that. It takes forever to open, you definitely don't want to see that. So this box is the Shabby Chic box, and I've been really excited for this box because I really didn't know what to expect. Shabby Chic is quite a very vague name, and Shabby Chic is different to everyone, but this absolutely epitomises everything that I would think is Shabby Chic. It's fantastic. Couldn't have got it more right, this box. Okay, so the first item is actually, yay, Tootsie Rolls. It's easier if I just pull the tissue off and get in. So this one oh, this is nice. So this is number 3. There's number 3 here, which will make it the Trinket Butterfly. Oh, that's beautiful. That'll make a beautiful pair of earrings. Maybe not, a bit big, but beautiful nonetheless. That is fantastic. I love that one. Okay, the next item, which is wrapped up in the same tissue, is number 1 on the list, and that is lace doily pancake die. That's gorgeous. That's going to make a gorgeous background plate, a back plate for a pendant, or a focal image with some stamping on a cuff. That's beautiful. Excellent. Very happy so far. Okay, the more Tootsie Rolls. Yay. The next item is a mason jar. That's cute. It's a nice little mason jar. That'll make cute little trinkets, so then that is small enough for earrings. And the last item must be number 2, which is a wing wrap ring die. Oh, I love ring dies. It's wrapped really well, this one. So it should be as well. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. I am so happy with that. That is gorgeous. That should make a really, really good ring. And if I've got time, I'm going to punch that one out today, actually. I'm prepping to work away this week, and it's our first big show of the year, really big show. That is going to be beautiful. Imagine some nice stamping and punching around the edges, maybe some maybe set a stone in there. Really, really, really excited for that one. Okay, so that's the Shabby Chic box. The theme for the next box has been released, and it is a circus theme, and I'm not sure about that one at all, so I might actually skip that box, but we'll see. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.